Could be.
I guarantee it. He brought that up. He's pretty good at sound, so.
You hear nothing when it shuts down.
It's from the shockwave. Because you hear it after the boom. It's the shockwave going over the top of the chimney.
It squeaks like a duck.